Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Greg. Today is the best video I never made. I'm going to try and do this without screwing it up. You don't really feel all that comfortable. I have this nifty neato little DJI microphone. It's raining. It's coming down. Just love it. The best video I almost never made. And the reason why I say that is, if you don't make a video, you will never know what your response or outcome will be. Maybe this will inspire me to make more videos like this. It is kind of comfortable. The air is fresh. I have that wonderful train whistle in the background, and birds chirping and rain sprinkling, getting my feet wet. So camera gear can have camera gear along with sound, microphone. It does sound pretty good, I guess. We shall find out. Maybe there's no way to tell if this is even recording. So just sitting. It's a good thing I don't have to drive 45 minutes. Oh yeah, I do. I have to do that every day. I can't see anything. So I think this will work. I don't know. Is it recording me? Okay. I guess it is. So I'm here. I guess we'll stick this right here. Okay, so trying out some new gear to see how this is gonna go. And I'm competing with all the wildlife and trains and everything else, so I don't know how this will go. But the importance of a studio to where you have a controlled atmosphere, sometimes that just doesn't work. And so don't get downhearted, don't get your spirits down. You just need to stay positive on making a video. There's going to be a lot of obstructions, a lot of things that just don't seem to go your way. And that's what makes this experience unique. I have a choice here. I can either make this video and then, like yesterday, decide that's not how it's going to go and delete it and go to work and not share and experience that. But I didn't follow through, and it was real defeating. And the whole night while I worked at work, I thought, you know, the one chance that I had to maybe put out that blockbuster video, I missed it. And so today I said, whether it's raining, trains are blowing, or it doesn't matter. And finally, it's like, you know what? I'm going to just sit in my truck and I'm going to do this video, jump on it with both feet and see where it takes you. Being in Oregon, it does rain quite a bit. I drive to and from work, and sometimes it's a harrowing experience. But you always do have to get out of your shell once in a while. I don't know. We'll see.